Introducing InsightBot, crafted by P3Fusion. A sophisticated AI-powered enterprise chatbot. This powerful AI-enabled tool is meticulously designed to simplify interactions for both users and administrators within the realm of enterprise data.
As we log into the InsightBot web app, the dashboard provides a quick overview of the total number of users and monthly token usage, giving administrators a snapshot of the system's activity. This is where you'll find essential insights at a glance.
Moving to user management, administrators can easily view and manage user details, including email, name, phone, role, and status. Adding a new user is simple. Just click Add User, fill in the details, and a verification email with a temporary password is sent for user confirmation. Efficiently manage your user base with this straightforward process.
Clicking on Quota Management, you can efficiently allocate tokens to users, ensuring optimal utilization. Editing user quotas is straightforward. Select the user, click Edit, and adjust the token count. This enhances flexibility in managing costs and ensures efficient resource allocation.
In user settings, administrators can categorize users for targeted interactions and customize user access to the knowledge base with precision. Editing user categories is straightforward. Select the user, click Edit, and choose or unchoose the category. This streamlines the user's workflow, enhancing productivity.
Files management simplifies document handling. Uploading documents is intuitive. Select a category, upload the file, and track its status. Initially marked as new, the status changes to ready once AI processing is complete, indicating the file is prepared for use in chats. Let's further demonstrate this by adding another file in the HR category. Following the same steps, we ensure InsightBot's capabilities for categorized responses, enhancing user interactions.
InsightBot excels in category-specific responses. Users can ask questions, and our AI's smart retrieval system ensures context-aware, relevant, and accurate answers tailored to their authorized categories. Witness the power of targeted and precise information delivery.
Now, let's switch to the user experience. To begin, John Doe, our IT support user, will create a new chat. The user simply clicks on the Add icon in the chat history panel. After clicking Add, the user will be prompted to name the chat. For this demo, let's name it Support Team. Let's simulate a typical customer service interaction. A client has just sent a message indicating they are experiencing difficulties in getting responses from a chatbot application. Now, let's watch how our support team member, John Doe, utilizes InsightBot to deliver quick and effective support. John Doe types the client's issue. The chatbot isn't responding to my message. What should I do? InsightBot promptly delivers a set of troubleshooting steps, drawn from an extensive knowledge base tailored to common client issues and technical documentation. This step-by-step procedure highlights InsightBot's value in supporting not just clients but also the support team, ensuring seamless communication and customer service. Next, let's explore another common scenario within our company, where an employee seeks information about holiday entitlements for the year. Our employee begins by creating a new chat named HR Query. The employee types the question in the new chat window: number of holidays full-time employees have this year. InsightBot is now processing the inquiry, tapping into the HR knowledge base to provide an accurate count of holidays. There's the answer, a neatly compiled list of all scheduled holidays. The employee now has the option to copy the response and can also choose to like or dislike the response, offering immediate feedback on the helpfulness of the information provided, all in just one click. This seamless interaction showcases how InsightBot effortlessly assists employees in accessing important information, enhancing their overall experience within the company.
As Erwin Smith, the administrator, by clicking Report, let's review insights. Tracking token usage and user feedback is straightforward. Set your date range, hit Generate, and view both token consumption and user satisfaction levels in one glance. The graphs update to show usage trends and feedback, ensuring you're informed and ready to act on the insights provided.
Delving into settings, you have the power to manage operational details efficiently. Adjust the conversation window to control the chat history processing, ensuring a streamlined user experience. With options to clear all files or chat histories, maintaining a clutter-free environment is just a click away. InsightBot equips administrators with clear, concise settings for optimal system performance and user interaction.
Moving on to Chat Widget, creating a customized chat experience is effortless. Administrators can create and manage chat widgets tailored to different parts of your website. With clear options to add, edit, or deactivate, you maintain full control over how your customers interact with your service. Once you've tailored your chat widget settings, deploying it is a breeze. The platform generates a unique script for you to embed in your website's code, which can be copied with just one click. This ensures a seamless integration of InsightBot into your online platforms, providing an enhanced user experience.
Understanding the cost implications is crucial. By clicking Cost Calculation from the side panel, administrators can estimate costs for chat processing and document processing, tailoring InsightBot's usage to align with budgetary considerations. Ensure cost-effective utilization of InsightBot's capabilities with precise cost calculation.
Elevate your business with InsightBot, a catalyst for seamless communication. Contact P3Fusion for transformative solutions and enterprise interactions.